If you want to reduce stress and anxiety very quickly, try this technique. It's called EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. It has some strange elements to it, but just follow along and notice how the anxiety and stress levels reduce. So just rate your anxiety and stress between 0 being the bottom and 10 being the most stressed and anxious, and see how you feel at the end of this technique. We'll do one run, sort of like a dress rehearsal, where I'll sort of explain the different parts, and then we'll do another run just doing the technique. So what you do is you tap acupressure points while repeating a line, something like, even though I feel stress and anxiety, I choose to feel calm. Just tapping the top center of the head using 2 or 3 fingers. Then the next one is top of the eyebrow on the bone near the nose. Even though I felt stress and anxiety, I choose to feel calm. Now as you do this, you think about the stress and anxiety you're experiencing, and you think about the calm that you wish to have. Almost like ordering it up from the menu of your brain. The side of the eye. Even though I feel stress and anxiety, I choose to feel calm. Under the eye, on the bone, near the nose. Even though I've been feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and relaxed. Under the nose, just gentle, rapid taps. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm. Under the lip, in the little gap here. This is to clear energy lines. Every point relates to different parts of the body, different organs. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm. Collarbone, you can tap or give it a slap. Just gently. Even though I felt stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm. A strange one, 2 inches under the armpit. Give it a little slap. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm. Then you go to your hand. If you're doing this yourself, you can stop at the collarbone, but we're going to do the full routine. So top of the hand, the side of the thumb, just where the nail meets the thumb. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm. Next finger down. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm. Next finger down. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm. Skip underneath to the little finger. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm. Slide down to this karate chop bit. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm. And then you go to a little gap between your little and your ring finger. There's a gap between the bones called the gamut. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm, relaxed, in control. You can choose whatever you want. So just keep tapping. And as you keep tapping, you don't need to say any more at this stage, but just follow my finger or just move your eyes left to right. Your eyes and your brain process together. It changes patterns, it changes how your brain processes stress and anxiety. You can spin your eyes around the clock one way and spin your eyes around the clock the other way. It's a bit tricky. And left and right, keeping tapping. At this point, you can take a breath and close the eyes and do a hum. It can be a tune or like an om, like in meditation or yoga. And this packs the vagus nerve, which clears down through your nervous system. So just even if it feels a little silly, just do it. And then at the very end, just gently grab your thumb, maybe as firmly that you could feel your pulse a little bit. Take one final breath and just say the final thing that you want from your body and brain. Just say calm. And then you check in and you see where the anxiety and stress has gone from 0 to 10. See if it's reduced 1 or 2 numbers. But that was a rehearsal. We're going to do it for real this time. I'll just fire through it and see it only takes a couple of minutes. But watch the anxiety and stress levels reduce. So, And you can choose any word you wish, by the way. I'm just saying anxious and stressed, to calm, in control, whatever you want, you can choose. Top center of the head. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and relaxed. Top of the eyebrow. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and relaxed. Side of the eye. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and in control. Under the eye, even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and in control, really thinking about the meaning of the words and how the tension can leave your body top to toes. Under your nose, even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and relaxed. A little gap under your lip, even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and relaxed. Collarbone. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and in control. Strange under the armpit, slap. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and in control. To the thumb on the side. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and relaxed. Next finger. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and in control. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and in control. Skip underneath. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and in control. Karate chop. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and in control. The little gap between the little and the ring finger. Even though I was feeling stressed and anxious, I now choose to feel calm and in control. And just for this video, as you keep tapping, you can just follow my finger left and right. It's got elements of EMDR, eye movement desensitization. Just move your eyes left to right, round the clock one way, round the clock the other way, and left to right again. Keep tapping. Take a breath in for the count of 3 down to the tummy. Hold for a beat. Let go for the count of 6. And do a little hum, clean through your nervous system. And then a gentle grab of your thumb, which can help reduce anxiety anyway. And one final message to your brain, your body, your subconscious, just to say, calm. And then relax. And you check where you've gone from whatever number you were at the start. And if you want to, you can repeat this as often as you want until that anxiety and stress reduces to perhaps a 0.